Welcome to vsEcommerce. In this video we will show you how to replace logo, favorite icon and home banner images in your online store created using vsEcommerce. Go to Websites and then Logos left menu in your control panel. You can remove existing favicon and also logo. Select new favicon. Select your logo. Go to your live site and see the logo immediately gets updated for your online store created using vsEcommerce. Replacing logo will immediately change in your site and not the specific template. Now for changing the home banner. Go to Websites section and then Templates. Click on Edit a template. Go to Gallery and then press plus symbol for adding new home banner. You can also reorder by drag-drop your home banner images. Go to your site and check your home banner updated in site. Thanks for watching our video on changing logo, favicon and home banner in your online store created using vsEcommerce.